Cheesecake and Oreos, two words that can bring delight to any dessert lover. When combined together, they make an irresistibly sweet and creamy dish, great for serving at parties or enjoying by yourself.
Hello, I am Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I will be sharing my super easy version of Oreo cheesecake using only 5 ingredients with no baking required. Let's begin.
For our ingredients, we need the following: 20 pieces of Oreo cookies, 6 pieces of Oreo cookies for dusting and Oreo cubes, 60 grams of melted butter, 1/2 cup of whipped cream, 160 grams of white chocolate, 450 grams of cream cheese or 2 boxes of cream cheese. First, we're going to separate the filling. We are going to add this filling with our cream cheese later on. And then let's crush these cookies using a rolling pin. After crushing the cookies, let's add a melted butter. Mix it together. Then let's press the crumb mixture firmly. Then let's put it on the fridge. On a separate bowl, let's mix the cream cheese and the whipped cream together. Let's also add the white chocolate, so I melted this first, and then the filling from the Oreo. Mix it together. Let's slice this Oreo into 4 pieces so that we can add this as a topping and add this with our mixture for our cheesecake. Then let's transfer the mixture to the container. And for our toppings, let's add more crushed Oreo cookies. Let's set aside this and put it on the fridge.
I hope you enjoyed the simple version of No-Bake Oreo Cheesecake. In San Antonio, Texas, I am Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @GoodDonuts. See you in the next video.